We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, whoever get the trade, because we have been looking for buy since the price was within this correction. We had 2 trades set up to look for buy. Whoever get the trade within this one, they have to start to manage the trade, because we see the breakout of the previous top and we wanted to see the breakout of 0.734. As we can see, 2 times the price tag, but it couldn't break. Okay, and it turned to a corrective move. That's why we have to manage whatever the trade we get within this move. And even if we refer to the indicators, if we put this top in relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. That's why we need to be quite careful. All right. Anyway, we want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. The way it's moving is really corrective. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. It can, but I don't think so we can get a really good trade setup. Even there is a continuation as a corrective, similar to what we get here, we are not going to look for trade. Okay, we need to get, and even as I mentioned, we don't have any trade setup. We need to wait for confirmation to see the continuation, because if we buy here, almost the price is at the highest, is the top. We don't want to buy at the top. We do the trade setup. As we can see, the price is dropping, and we have to see the correction, get the trade setup, then we can look for buyer. And right now, having entry above this is not a good idea. Let the price, this one correct itself, then if we get any trade setup, we can look for buy. And as we can see, the price is dropping quite sharp. And if we move to daily chart, we don't have anything to discuss. Just we wanted to see the breakout. As we can see, the prices couldn't break, and because we have this lines long time ago, before the price, almost when the price was somewhere around here. Okay, and if we move to forward chart, all right, still we can expect this one turn. If this one turn give us a correction similar to what we get here, maybe we can look for running flat for the next move. But right now we don't have any trade setup. And how about if I move to 1 hour chart? As we mentioned, we have to wait and see the confirmation. We have to get the trade set up. Okay, as we can see right now, we get 1 2 3, but we cannot look for the reversal. May wait another few hours. But how about if the price sharply continue from here? Having a option trade having a trade set up above this, I mean having a entry above this is really risky. I'm not going to suggest. If there is a reversal from here after the breakout of the top, maybe the next flag or correction we can look for buy. That's why the best option is we wait for the correction. Either we get the correction or reversal, similar to what I mentioned. If we get any drop similar to what we get here, maybe we can look for flat. Okay, that's why I mentioned we have to manage the trades we get here. We want to see whether the price can continue or not. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.